Okay, I see this stuff. I'm gonna have to make a video of this. This is completely sticking out of the wall. What is up with this? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clip this guy right here, clip it on the side, and then basically flush it out with the wall, because this is going to stick out my wall. My cabinet isn't going to come close to the wall. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut it. And I'm going to use my multi-tool. You want to get my multi-tool and clean that up, but I figured I would show you. This is shoddy craftsmanship. So this house is just being remodeled, and this is what we have to work with. I mean, I can't even believe this. This is, who has this little pride in their work to do this? I don't understand it. So now when I put this in, I'm gonna use a hole, and we're gonna use the screw holes on the plate to go into the back of the cabinet. So we don't need these holes. We're gonna be securing it to the cabinet itself. Thank goodness we don't need those holes. All right, so that's what's left over. Oh my God, okay.